Alright class, get out your history books and go on to chapter 7. We're going to be learning about the American Revolution.
Isn't it nice to be at the dance club, Preston?
Yeah, it is. This is way more fun than going to school, listening to boring lectures, and doing lots of silly boring homework every single day.
I agree with you, Preston. I would rather be playing FIFA 23 and Call of Duty on my PS5 than doing lots of silly homework.
Hey guys, I know a perfect way to get away from doing homework.
What? You know a perfect way to get away from doing homework? Oh yeah, tell us about it.
We're going to create cool random clones of ourselves and code them to do our homework for us every day.
Great idea, Joseph. I always wanted that to happen. You're so smart.
It's already 30 minutes past first period, and Sammy is still sleeping. He should realize this isn't sleep time. I'll try to wake him up. Sammy. 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 Sammy, wake up. This is school. You're here to learn, not sleep. Come on, wake up, wake up, wake up. Sammy. I said, wake up right now. We're here to learn, not sleep. Understand?
Yes, Mrs. Annie.
Thank you.
Sammy,
Yes, Joseph.
I want you to pull the fire alarm at school today since you're so bored.
Wow, Joseph. I've always wanted to pull the fire alarm. That's a great idea. So what is the plan?
First, tell the teacher that you want to go to the bathroom because it's an emergency. Second, look around for a pull station. Third, check if the coast is clear. Last, pull the fire alarm.
Great plan, Joseph. I will do that right now.
Yes, Sammy.
Can I use the bathroom, please?
No. You should have gone before first period started. You can go during passing period.
But this is an emergency. I can't hold it at all. It's so freezing cold. I need to go quickly.
Okay. Fine, go.
All right, the coast is clear. Now let's pull the fire alarm. This is going to be the best moment of my life. Ha 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 ha. Let's pull the fire alarm in 3, 2, 1.
Looks like the fire alarm is going off. We have to go just in case there's a fire. Oh hey Sammy, you're back.
Yes. It took me a long time to get out because I was struggling to get the code out.
Well, glad you're here.
Principal Mark, just to let you know I'm coming back in to check the annunciator.
Copy that, Bonzibuddy.
I checked the annunciator and it said somebody pulled the fire alarm, and I think I know who did it.
You mean Sammy?
Yes.
Well, I will check the surveillance tapes. Sammy, Jacobs, report to the front office. Sammy, Jacobs, report to the front office.
Come on, Sammy. You're coming with me.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh, is right. I just saw the surveillance tapes of somebody pulling the fire alarm that looks just exactly like you. Firefighter Jerkface and Officer Eric, come and see this.
All right, Principal Mark. Oh, my goodness, kid. Do you even realize that these things aren't toys to play with?
Yeah, I agree with Officer Eric. Fire alarms are very serious, not a joke. For this, we will give you a fine of $3,000.
I don't want a fine of $3,000. I don't want a fine of $3,000. I don't want a fine of $3,000. I don't want a fine of $3,000. I don't want a fine of $3,000. I don't want a fine of $3,000. I don't want a fine of $3,000. I don't want a fine of $3,000. I'm so sorry. Please don't give me a fine of $3,000.
Well, you've brought this upon yourself. Maybe if you hadn't pulled the fire alarm, none of this would have happened. Plus, saying sorry won't fix anything.
Also, we will be calling your parents.
Sammy. Tony. Jacobs. Why did you have to pull the fire alarm at school during first period? That is a very big no-no.
Yeah, I agree with your father. Did you know you could get into a lot of trouble? Now we have to pay a fine of $3,000. That is so it. You are grounded until we pay the fine, and while you're grounded, you will be eating nothing but lumpy potatoes for every meal including dessert. Get the heck upstairs to your room, and think about what you did.
Sammy, this is the 4th time I have to tell you to stop slamming doors. Just stop it.